The health sector is often targeted by cyber attacks due to several reasons. Valuable data. The health sector holds a vast amount of valuable data, including personal health records, financial information, and research data. This information can be exploited for financial gain, identity theft, insurance fraud, or even targeted blackmail. Vulnerabilities in systems. The health sector faces challenges in maintaining robust cybersecurity measures. Many healthcare organizations have complex and interconnected systems that may contain outdated software, legacy systems, or inadequate security protocols. These vulnerabilities can be exploited by cybercriminals to gain unauthorized access to networks and sensitive data. Ransomware attacks. The rise of ransomware attacks has particularly affected the health sector. Ransomware is a type of malicious software that encrypts data, making it inaccessible until a ransom is paid. Healthcare facilities are attractive targets for ransomware attacks because they provide critical services, and the consequences of disrupting their operations can be life-threatening. Increasing connectivity. The proliferation of internet-connected devices and the adoption of electronic health records have increased the attack surface for cyber criminals. Medical devices, such as pacemakers and insulin pumps, are now often connected to networks, making them potential targets for exploitation. Lack of awareness and training. Employees in the healthcare sector may not always receive sufficient cybersecurity training, making them more susceptible to social engineering attacks like phishing. Attackers can trick employees into revealing login credentials or downloading malware by posing as legitimate entities. Black market value. Stolen healthcare data can be sold on the black market for a high price. Personal health information, combined with other personally identifiable information, can be used to commit various fraudulent activities or enable identity theft. Nation-state espionage. In some cases, state-sponsored hacking groups target the health sector to gain access to valuable research data, clinical trial information, or intellectual property related to pharmaceuticals. This information can be used for competitive advantage or to advance a country's own healthcare industry. Overall, the combination of valuable data, system vulnerabilities, financial motivations, and the potential for disrupting critical healthcare services makes the health sector an attractive target for cyber attacks.